Everybody is talking about AI right now. They say it's replacing jobs, replacing businesses, replacing people. But after spending years building an online business, I think they're looking at things all wrong because AI just made one human skill more valuable than it's ever been, and almost nobody is talking about it. If you're over 50, I honestly believe this could be one of your biggest opportunities that we've seen in years. Let me show you why. AI is an incredible tool. I use it almost every single day in my business. It helps me to write, to brainstorm, organize my thoughts, which is good, and even speed up the creating of a digital product. But here's what nobody is talking about. AI can create information. AI can write an ebook, and it can help you build that course. And it can even help you generate a video that looks and sounds like you. I've never done that yet, but I've seen it. But it cannot create relationships. It cannot be the real you. It cannot celebrate somebody's first win in the online space. It cannot answer a personal question using your own life's experience. And that is the difference that is becoming more and more valuable every single day. So if you've been wondering whether AI is going to replace you, I actually believe the opposite is true. I think AI is making authentic people more valuable than ever before. I spent more than 6 years trying different business models online. I bought courses, I chased shiny objects. I spent money on things that never really worked the way that I actually hoped they would. And maybe you know exactly what that feels like. I remember praying and asking God to show me the right direction because I knew there had to be a better way than working just my 9 to 5. Then in February of 2024, things started to change for me. Not because I found another magic program and not because I worked 12 hours a day, but because I finally learned the skills that actually create an online business that lasts. Those skills completely changed my life. They allowed me to retire at 55 years of age. They've given me the flexibility to spend more time with my husband and my girls and my 3 beautiful granddaughters. And later in this video, I am going to show you exactly what happened once I learned those skills and why I believe they're even more valuable today than they were when I started. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to walk you through the 4 things that I believe every online business needs moving forward. Because if you are anything like me, you are not looking to build another full-time job. You are looking for freedom. You are looking to have choices in your life. You are looking for financial breathing room. And by the way, I put together a free guide. It's called My Freedom Formula Blueprint. It really walks you through the exact framework that I use to build this business. You'll find the link for it in the description below if you'd like to take a look. And if we have never met before, hello, I'm Wendy. I help fellow midlifers to use their God-given gifts to build an online income so that they can create more freedom, more flexibility, and have more time for the people that they love. So before we talk about what to sell, I want to show you something that's changed everything for me. Like a few years ago, information was incredibly valuable. Like if you wanted to learn something new, you bought a book, you enrolled in a course, or you hired somebody to teach you, right? Today, you can open ChatGPT and ask almost any question and have an answer in a nanosecond. Information has become easy to access. And that's exactly why information alone is not enough anymore. The value has not disappeared, it's shifted. People aren't paying for information anymore. They're paying for transformation. They're paying for someone to help them take that information that they know and actually do something with it. And that's the part that AI can't replace. The same human moments that I mentioned a minute ago, that's where real people become more valuable than ever. Now let me put some numbers behind this. So according to Forbes, the global digital marketing industry was valued at over $531 billion in 2022, and it is projected to reach more than 1.5 trillion by 2030. Now think about that for a second. Like I can't even wrap my brain around those numbers. That is not because people suddenly need more information. It is because more businesses than ever need people who know how to communicate, teach, market, and guide others online. Those are human skills. So where do digital products fit into all this? A digital product is simply something that someone can purchase and access instantly because it goes digitally. It could be like an ebook, a checklist, a workbook, templates. It could be a mini course, a membership, or online training. The beautiful thing about digital products is that there's no inventory to manage. There's no warehouse, there's no shipping. Someone clicks buy now and they receive it immediately into their email. And I believe digital products are the best way to build an income online, and nothing scales quite like it does. That's why you see these people making these big numbers, even myself. But here is the shift. Anyone can ask AI to spit out an ebook or a course outline in an afternoon now. You've seen these videos. So a digital product just sitting there on its own with nobody behind it starts looking exactly like everybody else's. That is why the digital products that are doing the absolute best, that are actually rising, are not just information. They are paired with live coaching, a real person in the loop, not just a downloadable link. That's what separates a real program from AI slop. That's the human factor that nothing can replace. Now, even with that human element in place, here's where almost everybody still gets stuck. They spend weeks, sometimes months, creating a digital product. They think once it's finished, people will somehow find it magically. Unfortunately, that is just not how the online business works. You can create the best digital product in the world, but if nobody knows it exists, it won't make a single sale for you. That's why I believe learning digital marketing is actually more valuable than learning how to create a digital product. Creating a product is one piece of the puzzle, my friend. Learning how to help the right people find it is the real skill. Now, that's exactly what has changed everything for me. Like, I stopped worrying about building a perfect product, and I started learning how to attract the right people, which brings me to what I believe is the best platform to do that today. When I first started my online business 2.5 years ago, I thought I needed to be everywhere. I heard the gurus say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, but I felt like I had to post every day on the platform multiple times just to have a chance of succeeding. Honestly, it was exhausting. I was working full-time and I didn't want another full-time job. I wanted some freedom. So I made a decision about a year in that completely changed my business. Instead of trying to master 5 different platforms and post a whole pile of videos, I chose just one, and I got really good at it. And for me, that platform was YouTube, where you're watching this video. And here's why. Unlike most social media platforms, YouTube is built around search and long-term discovery. Someone can find a video that I posted 6 months ago, even a year ago, and watch my video, and it can make me sales. That is exactly what happens on my channel. Just look here. You can see this one is a year old, still bringing me in views and still bringing me in sales. Some of my oldest videos are still introducing people to my business today. And that is the power of having a YouTube searchable evergreen content. And remember earlier when I told you that those skills completely changed my life? Well, this is where it all started coming together. This year alone, learning those digital marketing skills, they've helped me bring in over $453,000 in my online business. That's just from digital marketing income. I have multiple affiliate incomes, etc. Not because YouTube paid me that money, but because YouTube became the engine that consistently introduced the right people to my digital products every single day. Then something else remarkable happened that I wasn't even really expecting, and I didn't know when I jumped on YouTube. As my channel grew, YouTube started to pay me also. So think about that. I'm creating videos that help people. Those same videos introduce people to my digital products, and YouTube pays me through ad revenue on top of that. It is like double dipping, the good kind, multiple income streams working from one piece of content. So I literally post one video a week. You can look at the dates. And that video continues to bring me in leads. So I went from posting 3 videos a day to 1 video a week. Yes, it is a longer form video, but still, it's a lot less work. And I have so much more time for my grandkids and just making those memories and living my life. Now, if you're thinking, Wendy, I could never, ever, 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 ever do YouTube. I completely understand. Like, I felt the exact same way. I was nervous. What could I speak about for 10 minutes? I had no clue. And I overthought everything. I worried about what people would think, and I almost talked myself out of ever pressing record. But I am so thankful that I didn't, because learning YouTube has completely changed my life. If you are brand new, don't worry about having fancy equipment. I am recording this video on my phone in my 5th wheel trailer, using the light from the window. And don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on helping that one person with every single video that you make. That's exactly how I started. So if you really want to understand the exact steps that I did to start YouTube, I created a YouTube Success Starter Kit. Looks like this. It's a downloadable PDF, and I literally give you the steps to take to start your YouTube channel. If you want to learn YouTube, that's the way to get started. You can find it in the link below. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people make is expecting someone to watch one video and immediately put out their credit card. Now, sometimes that happens, but most of the time it does not. Think about your own buying habits. How many times have you watched someone else's videos for weeks, maybe even months before deciding to buy from them? Maybe this is your 10th time watching my videos even. You see what I mean? They want to know who you are. They want to know if they can trust you, and they want to know that you genuinely care about helping them. That's why building an email list is so valuable. So an email list isn't just a place to send promotions. It is where relationships are built. It is where you continue the conversation after somebody watches one of your videos. The easiest way to build an email list is by offering something valuable for free. It doesn't have to be complicated. It could be a short little checklist, a cheat sheet, a workbook, a simple guide, something that helps them solve one small problem. And it's a little glimpse of what your bigger product is. When someone downloads it, they're saying, yes, I'd like to learn more, Wendy. Then they become part of your email community. And here's what I love most about emails. Unlike social media, you own it. Algorithms can change, even on YouTube. Platforms come and go. Accounts get hacked, sadly, but your email list belongs to you. That's why I believe your email list is one of the most valuable assets that you will ever build in your online business. Once somebody joins your email list, you don't immediately start selling to them. You continue helping them. You answer their questions. You share your story. You build trust. And over time, people stop feeling like they're buying from a stranger. They feel like they're learning from somebody that they know. And that's exactly how I built my business. By serving people first, selling second. If you'd like help creating your freebie and then building an automated system, which we're going to talk about next, I actually teach that step by step in my free 3-day workshop. It's called Passion to Profits. I will leave the link in the description below so you can watch it whenever you're ready. Now, once you've built that trust, there's one final piece that gives you something every online business owner wants. And I just finished hinting about it. They want their time. Because eventually, you want your business working for you, not you working for your business. So then you're not glued to your phone or your laptop because you've built a system. And that's where automation changed everything for me. So automation gives you your time back. Now let me paint you a little picture. Over a year ago in the winter, my husband and I took our family to Florida. It was a dream trip of mine. I wanted to take all of my family to Disney. I was at a water park with my granddaughters. Now, I was using my phone to take videos and pictures. I was not using it for business. And I was definitely not checking my emails. I was simply enjoying the moment. And then my phone buzzed. A sale came in. And a few minutes later, it buzzed again, and another sale came in. And it continued to do that throughout the day. And I remember looking over at my granddaughter playing in the water and thinking, this is exactly why I started this business. Not because I wanted to work every hour of the day on a tropical vacation, but because I wanted more moments like this. And that's what automation gave me. Now, let me be really, really clear here. Automation doesn't magically create a business. You still have to put in the work up front. You still have to create the content. But once it's out there, automation can build trust over time. It can answer people's commonly asked questions. It can even make the offer and the sale for you. So when somebody joins your email list, they receive helpful information. They learn more about you, and they also discover more about your products. And all of that happens automatically. Yes, I said automatically. It creates a better experience for them, and it gives you more freedom. That is the difference. Automation shouldn't replace you. It should support you. Because remember what we talked about at the beginning of this video? AI can automate information, but it still can't do the human part. All those same things I mentioned at the start of this video, that's still where you come in. The businesses that are thriving today combine automation with real human connection. That's exactly how I built my business. And it's the same approach that I would recommend anyone starting today. So maybe you're sitting there thinking, Wendy, this all sounds great, but where do I even start? Yep, I completely get it, because that's exactly where I was. I didn't know what to create. I didn't know how to build an automated system. Sounded good, but I had no clue. I didn't know how to set up email automations, and I certainly didn't know how to create my own digital product. So instead of trying to figure it all out on my own, I decided to take an e-learning program. So exactly like what we've just been talking about in this video. It's a digital program, but here's why this program continues to be so successful today. It's not just education, my friend. It's not just digital. It's a digital product with live coaching, mentorship, and tech support, all the help that you need baked right in. Think of it like going to college and taking a course, except it's always there to support you. You can just join a call and ask the teacher your questions. And that's exactly why this has been so valuable since February of 2024 when I started, because they had the foresight to see that AI is a valuable tool. And yes, we teach it. We show you exactly how to use it, but the human aspect is still the most valuable tool of all. Since then, I've gone on to build my own digital products, my own courses, my own memberships, but I did not start there. I started with a proven system that taught me the skills that I needed. And looking back, I honestly believe that was one of the smartest decisions that I ever made. Remember what we've talked about throughout this video. AI is an incredible tool. I use it every single day, but AI isn't your business. You are. People buy from people that they know, they like, and they trust. Technology should support your business, not replace you. And I believe that's exactly where the opportunity is today. So if you're over 50 and you've been wondering if you have missed your chance to build an online income, I honestly believe you are arriving at exactly the right time, because the world does not need more information. It needs more real people willing to share their experiences and help others. So if you want to see the exact educational program that I took, a complete business in a box type of system, what I fondly call a learn and earn program, and it's where I started earning right from my very first month, then you're going to want to watch the free class, and I've put it in the description below so you can learn exactly how the program works and see if it's a good fit for you. And if you want to see how I use that exact program in my very first year to go on to make $650,000, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I break it all down for you step by step. I will see you over there, my friend.